Barracks Road Primary were crowned the champions of the InSports Western Region Primary Schools Athletics Championship over the weekend at Stets. It was a 1-2 for the parish of St. James as Corinaldi Avenue Primary took the runner-up spot. It was from the starter's gun to tape for Barracks Road Primary, who led from the opening day to the last to be crowned the champions. They held an 8-point lead after day 2 ahead of fellow St. James rivals and the 4-time defending champions Corinaldi Avenue Primary to win by 24 points. Barracks Road amassed 311 points.
We are super excited about this. We planned for this months and months of hard work in training that finally paid off today.
As for Corinaldi, they were gracious in defeat as coach Omroy Carr said they had a lot of setbacks going into the championship.
It's never a nice feeling coming second, but we just have to accept what it is.
Malia Watt, who hopes to emulate Olympian Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, was one of the record breakers for Barracks Road Primary. She won the Class 3 150-meter event in a new time of 20.90 seconds. She also captured the 100 meters in 14.50 seconds.
I feel very excited that I won because I have been training a lot. I put my hard work in it a lot, so I'm very happy.
It was all about trying until you're successful for Janora Watkins of Glen Stewart Primary, who finally tasted victory by winning the Class 1 800 meters.
I feel very good. I've been trying it for 4 years. From grade 3 I was trying to win.
Meet director David Riley felt encouraged by the results and performances of the athletes over the 3 days of competition.
It's very exciting. Teams are fiercely competing. Quite a bit of outstanding performances. And definitely, the coaches on this side are really teaching the kids, and we're happy to see that. The more teams that participate, the better it is for our overall national program.
Esher Primary with 190 points, Glen Stewart Primary 188 and Wakefield Primary 123 rounded out the top 5.